Hi, this is Dorian Radu, and today I'm painting none other than Mike Tyson. In the light of recent events, I thought it might be interesting to create a depiction of him, but not the one that most might expect. Everyone looks at Mike Tyson thinking of the boxing legend that he is. But in this portrait, I wanted to also include the changed man that Mike claims he now is in his personal life. I think that brings a bit more complexity to his persona, and in order to show that, I have chosen a subtle composition with one light source dividing the face in two sections, light and shadow. In the light, you can see a calm demeanor, his eyes relaxed, looking to the side. The eye in the shadow, however, is a bit more open, suggesting the gaze of the fighting Mike Tyson, who always studied his opponents. I used visible brushstrokes without trying to overblend in order to enhance the strength and physicality of the subject. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you soon in the next video.